So this is Ryan at Clovis Star. This is some information that might be handy for people as far as looking up criminal records, a spouse, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, something else. Maybe you're involved in a court case. It is interesting to be able to find these public records. I've just done a few things here to get set up. In Utah, apparently in most states, you can go through this United States Courts PACER account and you can start looking up public records with this. I just signed up, and eventually I'm going to get a activation token in the mail, 7 to 10 business days. In some jurisdictions, like I found in Idaho, you can look this stuff up. This is a great place as well, Internet Archive, archive.org. But in like Bannock County, I just had it up and now I don't have it anymore, but let's just see, Idaho Court Repository. Let's just take a look here. Okay. Yeah. But this right here, this idahocourts.us repository, I was in a criminal situation recently where I got a misdemeanor for disorderly conduct when someone came to my door and assaulted me. And I looked them up on the court directory and I looked at their criminal record, and I mean, we're talking stalking and battery and things like that. It's just interesting. There's lots of different ways to search. Like I say, that PACER is one way, the PACER account. Internet Archive is another thing you can look at for, social media history, things like that. But this PACER thing is going to be interesting to use. If anybody has any experience using this, please let me know. But the Federal Freedom of Information Act, or the FOIA, as they call it, grants people rights constitutionally to this public information, and anything that's gone to court, criminal or civil, almost anything unless it's been sealed, is available to be seen online. You can kind of get into the nitty-gritty of things. So for me, like just as an example, if someone comes to me and they're like, hey, this guy that you've got working for you, or this guy that's living in your apartments is this and that, I'll just take it to this and I'll look it up, in the municipality in which the issue is supposed to have occurred. Like this Idaho State Judiciary, or Idaho Supreme Court Data Repository, they have one of these in just about every state. So I recommend using this. This is a really good way to sort things out. Yep, thanks for checking us out at clovisstar.com.